Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of um, August 31st through September 6th. And this month's spreads for the whole month of September, I'm going to do like a fall floral and then with some type of critter. So this week is going to be horses. So this is actually a Planner Society kit, and I decided that I wanted to use this particular one because of the horses. I've never done horses in my planner before, and I love the floral. I feel like it's very fall, kind of darker colors. You know, I love the like that mustard flower that's in there. So this is actually the little book that came with the kit. So I will be using that cover, but I'll show you that in a minute. And then there's the paper, the horse paper, and then on the back of that is the floral paper, that floral. So I am going to go ahead and cut out a piece of the floral for the side panel piece. And I wanted to use that mustardy color one. I just feel like that's really like a very fall color to me. It's kind of that mustardy orange color or yellow color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it to fit in the side panel, but it's going to kind of go into the Monday day. So I'm just going to do what I've done before several times in my planners, is just kind of cut it and then cut it out around the floral, and then put that in the side panel. So you'll see here, I'm just cutting that out. And then I'm gonna just kind of fussy cut it a little bit, keep a little bit of a border on it, and then just fussy cut around, and then have that be on the side panel. So I'm gonna get that cut, and then I will cut into me basically having it done. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the horse paper, and I went ahead and cut it into strips this time. So I'm going to put it, I didn't want the horse paper to be really prevalent in the layout. I just wanted it to be kind of an accent piece. I wanted the floral to really be the main focal point. So I'm just going to measure it here so that I know that it fits in the column. So just cut that piece off at the bottom there. And then I'm just going to cut a couple of different strips. And when I was deciding on where to cut the first column or first section, I didn't like how the horses on the edge were kind of lining up with the row, or the column, I should say. So I kind of trimmed it a little bit, and then I cut it to fit the column, just so that I'd have like a full horse image on the paper. I have no idea if that made any sense, but you can see what I'm doing in the video. All right, so there's that one. And then I think I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna cut one more strip, and then I'm also gonna cut one strip for the weekend. And I thought that I wanted to have the floral kind of hanging over the horses, but I ended up not doing that because I didn't really like the fact that the horse paper and the floral had like a different background color. So so you can see that the floral paper has kind of like more of a kind of almost like a taupe, like a taupe beigey color, but then the horse paper was fairly white. So then I just decided to move that over to the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut one big strip for the Saturday and Sunday. And now I'm kind of trying to figure out what I want to do for the centerpiece. And I was trying to figure out how I could add more floral to it, because again, I wanted the floral to be the focal point. And I didn't really want to use the big flowers in the middle. I just felt like that would just be too much. So I am going to go ahead and cut a couple of images out of the paper once I get this weekend part cut out. All right, so here I'm fussing with it. I don't know why I do this. Okay, and then I'm going to put that over there, and then let's see, what else am I doing? So then I take the pink, one of the pink flowers, because I wanted to add some pink to the page. So I'm just going to take this pink and I'm going to fussy cut this pink floral out. Okay, so you can see that I cut that floral out and I stuck it there in the corner. And then I went ahead, I'm going to go ahead and cut the other pink floral that was on the page. And I just wanted that one little piece of the flower, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that part out. And when I cut this, I was thinking I was going to put that up there, but I wasn't quite fitting the way I was hoping it would fit, so I decided to go ahead and put that into the side panel. You'll see that in a second here. So I decided to go ahead and cut the other pink flower out. There you go. See, I'm going to put that up there. I decided that I liked it there better. And then I'm going to cut the other pink floral out as well and then stick it where I was going to stick that one. So I'm going to put that one up there. And yeah, really liked how that ended up turning out. Okay, so now I'm going to actually work on the center piece. So I have that little book that came with the collection. And what I decided to do was just tear the book out because I just wanted to use the cover. I am actually going to be using the page as one of the pages as well. And I really like that little booklet, so I will definitely keep that and probably just keep it and use it as lists and different things. But I decided that I was just going to cut it, trim it down, and then punch a hole in it. And then I'm going to use that. I liked the fact that it had that black in the back because I felt like that made the horse, the black horses kind of fit the floral. I don't know if that just made sense, but that's my logic. Okay, so I just wanted to trim this piece of paper up a little bit, and then I'm just going to glue that on the back of that page. I just wanted to trim it up so that the floral on the back of the cover kind of showed a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on. I'm just going to use my Fabri-Tac glue and glue that on. And that's basically going to be my journaling card, the middle of my journaling card. Okay, so now I've got that glued on, and that's just going to be my journaling card. And then I pulled out the die cuts. I had remembered now that I had the die cuts, so I went ahead and pulled those out just to sort of map out which ones I wanted to actually use, and I'm kind of pulling them off to the side. Really just wanted to pull out the florals and the little horse one. So, and then I decided that I wanted to make them stickers, so I'm just going to grab my little sticker maker machine thing here. This is from Xyron. And yeah, just pull that through, and then I'm going to make those stickers. And then I take a bone folder and I just go around the edge of the stickers. So sometimes when you peel them off, it kind of leaves a sticky residue around the edges. So I just kind of go around the sticker just to make sure to kind of break that stickiness up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead then and get everything glued down. I'm just going to use my Fabri-Tac. Now, you'll notice when I do this, I'm not going to glue down the side panel, and I'm not going to glue down the floral that I'm having on the weekend because I wanted to maybe potentially add some stickers underneath. So I'm going to do that after I add the stickers. And then after all of that, I decided after the fact, I don't know why I didn't do this before the fact, but that I needed to change out the lines to be black. And now that I'm looking at it, editing this, I needed to also do that with the numbers. I don't know why I didn't do that with the numbers too. So I'll probably go back in over the week and do that with the numbers. So once I get those all glued down, I'm going to do sticker time. right, so now I'm going to go ahead and glue down the floral that I have there in the corner, and I just used some foam little dots that kind of popped it off the page a little bit. And I'm also going to glue down the side panel. Now when I got all this done, I then realized that the stickers that I had made earlier, I hadn't even used those stickers. And so I am going to actually do a second sticker time. So as soon as I get that glued down, it's going to be sticker time again. So I think that is the first time I've ever done sticker time twice in a video, but there you go. All right, so that is the layout. I think it's really pretty. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Like and share this video if you think of somebody that would like to see this. And yeah, I really love how it turned out. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I do monthly or weekly Monday Happy Planner layouts, and most of the time they look similar to this. So I hope that you guys enjoy these videos, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now.